Ocean Citizens is a project on restoration that is based on science. As a scientist, I'm bringing the objective and the scientific part of the project. For example, the plan is constructing and implementing restoration technique and places to restore marine animal forest. And the step before this is the scientific evaluation of what you have to restore and where you have to put it. So we analyze the current regime and the potential connectivity of the site to individuate the best site for larval retention or larval connectivity. And we measure and quantify the functions of the animal forest, so the way in which modify the currents and the biodiversity associated, to have a target of restoration. So before restoring, we have to know where and what to restore. And this is based on scientific research.